The scenes of Swedish Chef.
I wish I could snap those glasses. Should I cut them? So then.
Be in the vid?
Should I cut this? Because we don't need that. We just need this hanging down. And I
yeah.
can. I'm going to take them off you. Because I don't want it to.
Ow. Change of plans. She's cutting the fan. We got this. Second one is on.
There we go.
Oh, let's give him a little bit. Final topping. Let's get this. Oh, donkey Kong. Here we go.
Oh, let me do it the other way. Come on, I can't sit under. So thick hair is getting caught in my stuff here.
There we go.
And then do that. Huh?
Alright, so what do I do?
Here, put your phone down and quit messing with it. You're gonna have to loud. Just keep your head down. I know you can't see.
Where's the board part?
Just whenever. We'll wait until we get ready to do it. First, you'll do your, you're gonna make your, you know, do your thing, and then and then grab that thing and hit the spider, and then flick the spider off with it, with the blade, dude. Hit it with the blade and flick it off, and then you can just be like, and then you can be like, work, and then act like you're smashing the blade.
Wait, does there have to be a specific time when I hit that?
We're just gonna make some noise and do your like your board, and then do like, and then grab that, okay? So I'll tell you when you get started. Just do some random stuff. Hold on, you gotta be louder.
Yeah.
Especially because that's going. Hold on. Okay. And now we're gonna smash it real quick. Or cut it. Oh wait, should we listen to make sure we can hear you? Yeah. That was good because it flew off. Yeah, okay, I think we can hear you okay. Alright, so let me cut this a little bit.
That's short.
What?
That's short.
It is. Alright. We're going to try to get this in the same spot.
Alright.
I got to clean this table up. Make a noise like it exploded and then come back into you and start like that. Let's do it. Come here. Here, I'll put it on here. Come here. steps. Do you want a little more on your shirt for a minute?
No.
Well, I feel like if it exploded, we should have a little more of this. That'll be good. Okay.
Alright.
Should I?
Explode it into more pieces a little bit.
This one's gonna be fun.
Holy, I think that's enough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now put your thing back, and then
Back
when
here?
you- yeah. Then when you come back, you'll hold the axe up like it was like, and you can be like, more, like you're all excited. And then you can just start. Then you can just end with you going like doing like make some, and then be like make a pumpkin pie, and then do the gibberish again. Okay. So go ahead and get your axe in your hand, and I'm gonna hold it up like we're like, and then I'll tell you and you can be like, okay. Should we end with it? Oh, do you want to sample it? Do you want to sample it?
What do you mean?
Hold on. Do you want to pretend that you're eating some?
Yeah.
Or smell it? Or you think that's good? We can just close out. Let me take a couple pictures. Turn this way. I need to see the apron in this image. Here, let's do your pieces. Here and here. Alright, I think we're done here. Let me have that first before you get stuff off here. And then I need to clean this up real quick.
Excuse me, bro. Are you serious? We got it, I think. Chef time is over.
What'd
For
you
now.
say?
I said chef time's over.
And then I'm gonna clean up the
I feel free.